network. So let's come and see Google. So we will create an ad. Responsive simply means your display picture or whatever media you are using should be responsive enough to just adjust automatically on the screen of the user. Okay, so advertisement. So we will create a new campaign. Again, we can select the objective of the campaign from here. And if you are just focused for a particular goal for sales, lead, for traffic, brand awareness, you can go for that. But if we don't have any goal, we can go for create campaign without goal guidance. So here we are making display ad. Okay, so most of the time, many people use display ad because it shows in all the platform which is related to Google and other website which have affiliate theme of your searches and your keywords. Like and here you can see from video ad we can become visible in YouTube platform. And video ad has a different types, like you can skip. And many of you have a practical example of that. When we see any video on Google, you will see that sometimes you can skip ad. Okay, that is a skippable ad. Sometimes you cannot skip the ad. That is non-skippable ad. Sometimes you can see in the middle of the video, you will see a short ad, or sometimes in the before the starting of the video, you will see a short ad for a few seconds. That is a form of bumper ads. So there are different things. And definitely there is a discovery ads. The discovery ads are similar that Google shows, like where below the search bar in mobile phones in a Google app, you can see the different type of result belongs to your interest. So this is a discovery ad, and you can also see this on YouTube. Okay, sometimes in YouTube you can see different advertisement that is a form of discovery ad. So it is automatically take that I am looking for a page view because previously I go for that, and it just use this data on its system and shows me that because previously I was looking for page views. So again, the website is this. You can name it anything, but try to make a relevant name. Start anyone. So we can select the country, everything would be similar. Location, I talked about this, how you can include or exclude location. And we can also for Hindi and English people only. Add rotation, optimize on all the devices. Dynamic ads. So dynamic ad simply means I will show the dynamic keyword insertion here as well. And dynamic ad simply means you change the data, the content of the ad along with the type of searches someone looking for. Like in dynamic keyword insertion, it automatically bring the term, the keyword that triggers the ad, okay, on the heading. But in dynamic ad, it changes the data of the keyword, the data of your ad content as per as the searches. For example, if you are promoting a real estate business, okay, so in real estate business, uh, you have certain locations where you can sell your homes, and in certain other locations you are selling commercial properties. So according to the search, you want to change the data of the content. Like the ad copy says, buy commercial properties at a particular location. Okay, when someone is looking for commercial properties, and for the same copy, you can write buy best houses at another location where you are selling the houses. Okay, so that copy would be same, but you are using the dynamic functions on your advertisement, so that when someone clicking searching for commercial properties, they will show buy commercial properties, best commercial properties at particular location. And when someone's come and write for looking for house, you can say buy best houses at another location. This is how it works. And you can see the dynamic ads, all the dynamic data in this side, business data, where everything related to your business are there. Because in business data everything was there, like your data fees, dynamic ad type, and all things. These are the forms of, these are the part of advanced PPC. Okay, when you just only focus your career on PPC, advanced PPC, so these things are important. Campaign URL, I talked about this. Okay, convergent views. Okay, content exclusion. Let's suppose you want some types of content like sensitive issues, and you don't want to show your ad on such type of things. For example, if you have a YouTube ad, and if you don't want that people who are talking about political issues, so you don't want to show your ad on such type of videos that are related to political issues. So you can use that things and mention here that where like you don't want to show your ad on video that performs on political types of things. And content level, mature audience, teen, older, or you want to exclude your ad from tragedy or conflict, sexually suggestive, sensational, sensitive social issues, everything. Okay. Or rather you just blank that, then if you blank all the things, that means you can show your ad to everyone. Again, set your average daily budget for this campaign. So let's suppose 500 or 1000. 1000, I can spend 1000 for that. What I am focusing on, most of the time we focus on conversions, or if we go for viewer impressions, then definitely what is the meaning of impression? Okay, how you can understand that Google will deduct amount on the basis of impression, but what is the meaning of impression here? So impression simply means 50% of your ad copy visible in front of you viewer for 1 second. Okay, correct. Viewer impression are when a user sees 50% of your ad or more than 1 second, definitely. And when you are going for video ad, uh, it is about for 2 seconds. 50% of your ad which is visible in the screen of viewer for 2 seconds for ad copies, video ad copies. Okay, for pictures it is for 1 second. Let's this is a picture, and we scroll through this. Okay, and here it is showing only 30%. So it will won't count as an impression, but at the moment I just see half of this. Let's suppose if this is an odd copy and this is a display ad, if I see 50% of this portion for 1 second, then it would count as an impression and you have to pay. It will automatically make conversion. Okay, so target cost per action. You can set the cost per action or automatically it will do that. So interaction means when someone see your ad and stay there, they're clicking on that and they're just watching, they're spending more time on that particular display ad. Or a viewable impression simply means someone's view on that. So for display ad, I think just leave this place and go for maximum conversion, and Google will manage things according to themselves. Now we have to use targeting. We have to segment the audience. So let's suppose we are just providing video, video editing software, video editing courses. Okay, that will do. So technological education, yes, technology education, or we can see video editing. And before making an ad, you will definitely search for keyword. You will bring out the keyword which is relevant to your ad campaign, and you think that using this keyword your ad will perform better. So you will research about this in the keyword plan, then comes to the this part of creating ads. So, um, So here you can see which we added these two themes, and people who are relevant to this, who are searching for these things, who are in the similar platform, whose cookies data show that they are interested in video editing, they will be able to visit our ad. Um, okay. So you can also see that it is showing differently. In marketing for a particular video editing, it is here. For another segment, it create online classes. Okay, so either we can just remove it to target specifically, or we can see. Okay, okay, so we can go for selected two themes, and you can also add many more things there if you have data. So we have selected the language, and there's no need to exclude content if you don't find it. So let's suppose if you have, if you're promoting so sensitive things, or if you're promoting things which are related to a particular religion or a particular spiritual practice, then definitely you can use such uh, columns to remove or to exclude uh, such type of content. Okay, so where your ad won't be shown. Okay, so in such type of content, your ad won't be visible. So we can move on next. 1,000 rupees. The strategy is simple: maximize conversion, and Google will take care of further things. Now we will set the targeting. And let's suppose we are running a video editing course. Video editing and production software is relevant to video editing course, but not specifically. So we are selecting the theme, for example. Okay, like people who are interested in video editing and production software can buy our ad. Okay, so video editing software. Okay, video editing apps. Online course software. Video editing course. Online logic. Okay, these are the sufficient key. Optimizing targeting is same. So we can use the demographic as well. For example, if we are selling some kind of product which is specifically to a gender, then we can use here. For age, people will think that what's the problem, that why we cannot run an ad by selecting everything. By selecting everything means you're showing, you are going to every single people, and you are just pitching them for a sale. Okay, so it is important to understand our target audience. For editing software, there is a higher chance that people who are under 18 to 24, 25 to 34, and till 54, people may interested for video editing course. So I can just uncheck these things. And if you are selling any property, then definitely teenagers who are under 18 to 24 will not buy your property. Location is another thing. Demographic simply means the persona of the user, the persona of your potential customers. Okay, we will add the location, and when we are starting the ad, there is an option for creating location as well as excluding the one. Yes, and parental status. If you are if you want to show add or exclude things, you can choose it from here. And household income, here it is showing a note that household income targeting is only available in select countries. Okay, so what it means, like if you are selling a high ticket product or high ticket service, then definitely people who are under a particular income won't be able to buy your service. If your service charge 10,000 rupees, if you have a spa or a massage service and you are charging higher amount, then definitely people who are just earning 10,000 rupees per month won't be able to buy your service. So you can just select or unselect on that basis who will see your service, who will see your product. Like many celebrity will not or may not be using your the product that we are using, the things we are consuming, and the product they are consuming are totally different. So they have a high income, and definitely if they have high income, they will use product which has gives them luxury feel, which have higher quality, which pricing is higher as compared to the product which middle class people use. So on that basis, we can select or unselect this part. Keywords. So let's suppose we find keyword for video editing. Any suggestion for this keyword? related to video editing course. Okay, so we mentioned this websites. On the basis of the relevancy of the website, Google automatically suggesting these keywords like blog. But for an example, we are using that this website is not about blog or all that. This is about video editing and online courses. So keyword setting that it it is blocked. Audience show ad to people who likely to be interested in these keywords on a also web, and content only show ads on a web pages app video related to these keywords. If we click on that, we are restricting on that, but still it becomes more relevant. Okay, so people who are mostly related to these keyword will be able to see the result. Optimized targeting is so using this thing, Google will automatically optimize our ad. And I talked about a strategy like accelerated or standard technique that Google use to just boost your ad when it is performing well. Okay, sometimes your average daily budget will be gone in only 2 3 hours if you are using accelerated strategy, and another strategy it will play your ad throughout the day. So these are the other things that Google use automatically. So we will always focus on optimized targeting because Google automatically recommend things to the visitor, and it automatically adjusts the result, the our PPC advertisement in front of the potential visitor. Topics. So here we can mention the topics related to our ad, increase the reach, relevant reach. So not many suggestions we are getting for our targeted topics, and virtual world, jobs and education. Okay. So just video software is sufficient. Placement features, it's a very interesting features in the Google ad. It simply means you are using this feature uh, to target the audience of your competitor, or you may think or you may be just targeting the affinity brand. Affinity brand simply means which is a brand which has similar or relevant service to your. Okay, so for when we just add when we use the placement thing, then simply means we believe that particular platform, that particular website or channel has audience who can buy our services or product. Sorry. For example, you may have seen that for a particular YouTuber, a certain kind of ad is always running in when we start watching that. I've seen many times. Only a particular ad of a product I see there because they place that ad for particular that influencer YouTuber. So this is the meaning of placement. You are using someone else audience, and because you believe that they are your potential buyer. So if you are on your website, you can just search for that or enter the URL. Or if you have their video ID, you can use that or anything that is related to them. For example, here I can just enter the YouTube channel who gives tutorial on video editing. Okay, who is giving video editing tutorials, who are using the teaching how to make videos, okay, how to shoot videos, how to shoot a cinematic video. I can use such kind of word, such kind of YouTubers videos to place here, so that people who are watching them will be definitely interested in video editing course. Okay. If we have a URL, we can directly paste it here, and that's it. It will directly show the ad. Okay. Did you understand what is the meaning of placement, everyone? If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Yes, we can. That's why it says YouTube channel. When we click on that and search for like, is it a YouTube channel or what? Let's try to paste. Okay, got it. Ready? Edit. So this website is added, and people who are related to this website, who are browsing this website, and who have visited this website will be able to see the result, our video ad. Okay. So here we will create the ad. What is the business name? Like test. Success. So it automatically just take out the images from your platform, whatever link you are mentioning. Like for here, it automatically just fetch out these images. Okay. So, and if we have other images, we can add it as well. So definitely these are the images that it fetch out from this particular blog. So just click on uh, this. Okay. and it is also showing free stock images here, and you can use it as well. Customer, okay. Logos, if we have a certain logo we can go for that, but for now we can, it is sufficiently. And if we have a video, we can select it from here. So we won't have any suggestion at the moment. So Google have no suggestion right now. On the previous ad, on the text ad, it was giving us suggestion related to keyword. So we can use the keyword here as well. Okay. Uh, best video editing course. Okay. Um, course with in video editing. Plus live okay. So you have to take care of the length as well. Here it only allows 30 characters. So edit videos like big YouTubers. Okay. Long headline. Here you can mention experts. Description, share the moment. And we can mention the numbers because numbers will grab the people's attention, and people love the numbers because it shows us the exact data. Additional format, and I think so. See, here it looks like that. 10 plus live projects. Learn from the best video editor from industry with 10 plus live projects. Okay. And in YouTube, it goes like that. Okay. When you create display ad, and it will use different type of portrait, landscape images. That's why it asks for fun landscape images so that it can automatically adjust for YouTube and Gmail ads. You can preview the ad from here. Okay, sometimes it's cut on the top of the ad, sometimes it comes in the below the video that you see. And this is a Gmail ad. Okay. So, so there is a suggestion some of your images might be low quality or don't meet the requirement. Add more images to get Google automatically videos for you. So Google will automatically do so many things, but make sure that whatever media you are using should be clear and it represent your brand, it represent your business, and make sure to use images under 150 of KB. The size would be under 150 KB. Any more option? Call to action text. Okay. Automated. We can contact us. Okay. Language would be this. And here we can just show off add text and replacement. We can, it is talking about this. Contact us. Okay. I change it here, and we can also go for visit site. Visit site. Okay. And it talk about the color. So we don't use any video. That's why it is blank in the video side. Images are there, but the quality of images are not up to the mark, and we didn't use so many images. That's why half of the images was there. But if we completed all this mark, then we will see a check mark here, and for headlines as well. And yes, I was talking about keyword insertion. Okay, dynamic keyword insertion. So yes, it won't allow us on the display it. I will show it right now after this, the dynamic keyword thing. So this is an ad. Okay. From now, these are the four headlines and one logo. We can choose the preview. Yeah, we have selected everything so that we can preview everything, how our ad will look with a certain kind of image. And if it use this particular image for YouTube, so definitely our ad will look like this. Now you can understand the background of the image and the YouTube background is almost similar, wide white. So you can use a different image. On the basis of that, you can just change the color grading and all that. So it is showing the targeting signals are too narrow. So because we have just use website and just different topics, themes, that's why showing your target signals are too narrow. So only narrow audience will be able to see, not many people will see. So definitely it will low our reach. And if we want, we can fix it from here. We can go for online courses. We can also select the brand. If it is giving the suggestion, we can also use the brand names. We can mention browse from YouTube channel. Okay. Mm, 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 mm. Uh, what it was, I forgot that YouTuber name. YouTube videos. So it is taking more time. We can go. Okay, I was showing suggestion. Okay. So on when I was searching for YouTube videos, it will show me different types of YouTube videos which have video editing in their keyword. Okay, on that basis, we can select particular video if we think that video has a relevant audience as for us. Okay, and our ad will be targeted when that particular video runs. Okay, page use display. And once again, we can check all the information and go for publish campaign. Okay. So if everything, uh, every setting is well done, that says if we mention the billing information in the system, then definitely it will run our ad and automatically start detecting amount when someone see our ad and click on that, or if we are running on the basis of impression, when someone get the impression, then our amount will be deducted on the basis of whatever strategy we are using. So right now, and I was talking about okay. Mm, 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 mm. So here you can see that you can add a credit card, debit card. You can money use the money transfer method, or you can use net banking to just fill your wallet, and you can just enter any amount. It is not the amount of your budget. It is not the amount of your bid. It is the amount that you want to add on your wallet. Okay, and here I set the country for India, and definitely in India we are working with Indian rupees, so it automatically shows Indian rupees here. Okay. Let's display promotions. Okay, I will show you in a separate ad. Okay, within a 5 minutes. Like, and, So here you can see in the headline section, I will just add a curly braces and it gives me an option for keyword insertion. I can go for that. Okay. So now it is asking for me for the default text. Keyword in default text means when keyword insertion uh, dynamic keyword insertion option is running, it will bring out the keyword that triggers the ad. But let's suppose the keyword is long, it is a long phase, then definitely Google will not be able to see, not be able to just show that particular keyword because the character limit of the headline would be longer. So on that case, if Google is unable to show long phase keyword in the headline, on that case we can use a default text that says uh, text simply means, yeah, for example, and I can apply here. So we select this, and because Google dynamic is a keyword insertion option will be able only on search ads. So let's suppose website visit. Okay, search name, thing, dynamic keyword insertion. Okay, conversion, amount. Okay, next. Keyword movie lessons. So let's suppose the blog is about movie session and all that. Bollywood. So these are our keyword. Remember these things because our example is based on these keywords. So it is showing the recommendation to use in headlines as latest movies. Three. Uh, and movies. And for one headline, I use this function, keyword insertion. How you can use it? By just using a curly bracket and it would be visible. So in case if our keyword is long, then we have to make a default task. What it would be, I can just we are just make. I'm just using this word because most of our keyword is like Bollywood news, movie news. That's why to show you a default case. Okay, you can apply that. Alright. So here you can see best latest movies, about film and news about film industry. Okay, and Bollywood movie review. This is our keyword, and because we use dynamic keyword, it showed Bollywood movie reviews. And here you can see we don't have any headline that says Bollywood movie review. Okay, but we use this function. That's why it just fetch out this particular keyword, and this is how it works. When someone search for Bollywood movie review, then this particular keyword trigger the result. Okay, and as we are using the dynamic keyword insertion option, then it triggers that and also shows in the heading. Okay, this is how it works. Understand? And we can also use like text as well. Best uh, and whatever text in front of the particular keyword relevant to your keywords and your ad copies. Are you getting the point? Because if we use keyword insertion option in an appropriate way, then definitely it will increase our CTR and improve the relevancy, because someone is searching for a particular keyword, you have that in your keyword section, and you show ad along with that keyword in the headline. So people are more willing to click on that, and they are easily convinced that they should click on that. Got it? How to use keyword dynamic keyword insertion option?